Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So let's start today's topic, Vedic maths. I hope you have all done your warm-up which we discussed in the earlier video. So the preparation work that you need to do before you start each and every class of Vedic maths. Now let's see how we are going to use that addition table here. The application of addition table. Okay, how we are going to use the addition table while doing addition of different digits. Let's get started. So first of all, here I want to discuss about single digit addition, single digit to single digit. So again we have the two combinations, carry and non-carry, which we are discussing here, the revision of addition table. So for example, if you have like 7 plus 3, it's very easy to do. 2 plus 3, 5, and 4 plus 5, 9. So these are all very easy one, non-carry one. Next we will see with carry, single digit to single digit addition with carry. So these are all examples which we already discussed in the addition table. Just a quick recap. 7 plus 8 is 7 plus 7 is 14. So you need to add one more, which is 15. 1 5. Okay, and then next one, 8 plus 9 is 17. And then 6 plus 5 is 11. Let's take another category, which is double digit plus single digit. Okay, here also we will have the same concept, carry combination and non-carry combination. We will take a few examples with each combination, carry and non-carry. So first I am taking 35. I'll take non-carry first. Not 7. I'll take something like 3. Yeah. So when you add it, 35 plus 3 is 38. Next one, 45 plus 4, 49. So this is very easy. We won't get any carry. So just simply you need to add the ones place. Then we should write tens place as it is. Okay, now let's see if it is like double digit plus single digit, carry with carry combination. So suppose 46 plus 7. So just we need to make it the tens place. You need to add 1 because it's a carry combination. Whenever you see a carry combination, you need to add 1 in tens place. So which is 5 actually. And 6 plus 7, what is the end value we have that we need to write, which is 3. So 53. So just when we have carry combination, we need to add 1 to the tens place. Okay, if ones place has carry combination, then we need to add 1 in tens place. So 8 plus 3 is a carry combination, then add 1 to tens place, which is, and ones place you need to write down the end number. 8 plus 3 is 1. Okay, so the answer is 8181. So let's see few more examples. 89 plus 7. So 89 plus 7 means 96 because it's a carry combination. So add 1 to tens place, which is 9, and then 9 plus 7 end number is 6. Okay, next one we'll see one more example. 69 plus 6. Here again it's a carry combination. Then 7 5, 75. So that's it, very simple. Just we need to add 1 in tens place if we have carry combination in ones place. Okay, let's see another category. Before that, I just want to write down all the categories which we went through now. So first one is single plus single. So you have with carry combination, without carry combination, and then double plus single with carry, without carry. Next we have double plus double. Again in this also we have with carry and without carry. So let's say without carry first. One example, 23 plus 35, which is equal to 58. Next one, 43 plus 26 is equal to 69. Okay, so these are all the examples for the without carry combination. So let's see with carry combination. 76 plus 68, so which is equal to 6 plus 7 is 13. So 13 we need to add 1 because in ones place we have carry combination. So write down 14, then 8 plus 6 and the number is 4. Okay, so the answer is 144. Okay, next one, 87 plus 96. So 8 plus 9 is 17, plus 1 18, then 6 plus 7, the end number is 3. So the answer is 183. So if you observe all the problems, just it's very easy to add the two numbers. Just we need to check the ones place combination. If it is like carry combination, just we need to add one digit to the tens place. Okay, let's see one more example. 86 plus 75. Okay, so here it is a carry combination in ones place. Then 8 plus 7 is 60. Then 6 plus 5 and number is 1. 161 is the answer. Okay, so let's see next category, triple digits plus triple digit. So here we will have again two concepts, carry concept and non-carry. So let's see different examples for each way. So now I want to take without carry first. 123 plus 246, which is very easy. 3 6 9. Okay, so let's take one more example. 451 plus 2 4 3. So 6 9 4. So these are all a very simple and easy one without carry. So let's see with carry examples and how to do with carry using 3 digits. Let's take one example, 678 plus 579. Okay, 6 plus 5 is 11, but you have carry combination next to this. Then actually we need to take 12. 7 plus 7 is 4, but we have carry combination. Then the value of here is, this place is 5. Okay, because of this carry combination. Next 8 plus 9, the end number is 7, and we are writing asterisk because we don't have any carry combination after this. So the answer is 1257. Okay, let's see next one. 789 plus 627. 6 plus 7 is 13, but we have carry combination, then we will make it as 14. 8 plus 9 is 0, but we have carry combination here, then the value is 1. Okay, and 9 plus 7 carry combination is 9 plus 7 and the number is 6. So the answer is 1416. Okay, so these are all the examples for the with carry combination using 3 digit numbers. And I want to see one more example. 869 plus 957. 8 plus 9 is 17 18, because of carry combination. 6 plus 5 is 1, and because of this carry the value is 2 here. Okay, and the end number for 9 plus 7 is 6. The answer is 1826. Okay, so we have done with the single digit, double digit and triple digit. So now I wanted to do some lengthy addition problems which we can do with the same concept. Suppose for example, if we have number like this, 7 6 5 8 4 9, it's like 6 digit number. So this concept is applicable to any digit. Okay, 5 7 8 9 8 then 3. Okay, how to do this question? So let's do 7 plus 5 is actually 12, but here I am writing 13 because of this carry combination. 6 plus 7 is, the end number is 3, but I am writing here 4. Then 5 plus 8 is 3, but I'm writing here 4 because of the carry combination. So let me erase this one little bit. Okay, no need. Okay, next 8 plus 9 is 7, but because of carry combination 8. 4 plus 8 is 2, because of carry combination it is 3. Then 9 plus 3 is 2, and we don't have any carry combination, then we should write down as it is 2. So the answer is 1344832. Okay, 1,344,832. That's it for today's class. I hope you got all the concept and as well as problem. So do more practice so that you can reduce your time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget, age is a just number. Happy learning.